think it is. I didn't know he was real. I thought he was just like a disco.
Jesus Christ.
This one was a Peely with.
Hey, good job.
Get oh! Oh the what? Oh.
No.
Jackson.
Oh.
Okay, you put. Stop!
There's no.
I think you should put it on.
Davis, please.
So you put it on.
Stand next
no,
to Davis.
put Davis.
Back to the Future.
What is this thing?
You stand on a rock. You chant the words.
Yeah, you just go to Atlantis.
Go to Atlantis.
Here 20 seconds in the big city.
Is this a film?
Ow! You ordered so much. That's like half of it, right?
You can finish it, James. Just fix
I can't finish it. Help me.
Fine.
Is that worth it?
We could have done that, you know.
For $500. Okay, let's go to the sea bus. $13 minutes. I don't think we made it. We didn't make it. You should get a snow globe. I'm gonna film you falling on the stairs. Yes.
Please use handrails.
Please use handrails.
We're going to YVR. Why are we going to YVR?
I don't know.
It tells you which one's going to YVR. So we gotta wait.
Wait 7 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Damn.
How do we entertain ourselves for 7 minutes?
We jump on the track.
I hear one.
This is confusing.
Yeah, see? What if you're not
It's
from...
just dumb.
Yeah, if you're not from here, it's just gonna be the most confusing train ride ever. Is it here? Yeah, everyone here has somewhere to be, except us.
We're getting a plane spot and look for more dash 8s. And nothing else.
Why are we here?
This is why we are.
Yeah, but like, we're lost.
No.
Yes.
Yes, we are. We're using the maps to figure out where we are. Wait, we found it.
Over now. So that we don't have to go across later.
I should buy a Polaroid camera. A large amount? Why is it windy? We put the studio light.
Okay. Please stop.
It's $36.
No, you don't need it. You don't. Tab. Fold
Oh.
again. Good job, Davis. What did he break? You don't need a mushroom lamp.
Oh wow, they got a few tabs open.
Do the keys work?
Nope.
$39.90.
It's not a blush.
It's a blush.
You lied to me.
11
gad. Blush. I hate this.
You chose to have it.
Now you gotta carry it the whole time. We gotta follow the arrows.
We do it.
Yes, we do.
Is it worth to do.
Totally.
He hasn't even bought it yet. We still have like 10 kilometers to walk.
Yep.
I'm considering the blahage. Is that even how you say it? Is it blahage? I don't know. Google Translate and it's super
guy in your comment is gonna come after you.
Yeah. Alright, let's get some studio lighting.
That lighting is severe.
Yeah, this is.
I thought we would search for some lighting.
Wait, I might actually get this. I don't want to see the blahage. Get it out of my face. It's crooked.
You don't need it. You're never gonna use it.
I'm gonna buy it. Oh yeah, mom said I can get it.
Okay,
Are you kidding me? When are you gonna use this?
When I film, anytime.
Wait.
There's only blue.
Well, get it, Kesh. Your mom's
Alright, whatever.
gonna Get it. You're so funny.
Okay. I'm getting the light.
Get a blahage.
I'm not. Maybe.
Hear me out.
I hate you guys. Ah! Dolphin.
15.
But the dolphin.
I will buy a second one for you.
What? What? Okay, it's up to you guys. By you, I'm meaning literally you, because you're the only one that will vote. In time. Oh, I need my light. Ow. That's not very nice.
Check the poll.
Oh, it's 80%?
God.
Are you kidding me?
Please,
Yes, yes. It's 86%.
The viewers know what they want.
I just shut up. 90%. I'm just trying.
You want yours?
No, I actually don't want it. Why did you make me buy this?
What? Oh.
And you guys.
we're not forcing you.
Well, you kind of are.
And you.
We're almost at checkout. Okay, the important stuff, and then the stuff I don't need. This is ridiculously expensive. Yes. What? 92%. Oh, Jesus, that is bright.
Does it fit in it?
Oh, it does. Oh my God, it does. I put it in the light.
Wake up, get my bread up, done, shut up. Yes, I represent the money gang when I fucking throw myself.